Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the leaning frame mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, in any web browser. It'll give you a couple of options. We'll click on Pixlr X, and then we just want to click on this Open Image button to open the mockup. I've included both a version with a black frame and a white frame, so choose whichever one you want to use. And then just click Open. It's going to ask if you want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original, and then click Apply to open the original size. Right now we just want to insert your artwork right behind this. To do that, we'll click on this little icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when we hover over it, and then click Browse. Okay, and then find your artwork. It's going to think for a few seconds. Right, and it added it in front of the frame. We actually want it behind. So if you look at the Layers panel on the right hand side, you'll see the bottom image thumbnail has this little padlock icon. You just double click right on the little padlock icon. It'll unlock the bottom image, or you can click on the icon with the 3 dots to open the layer menu, and then click Unlocked if locked was clicked. And once you've done that, you can basically just drag the top image beneath the bottom image. And getting your artwork in the frame is as easy as that. If you need to resize it, you can just click and drag any of the 4 corners. I'm going to press Control minus, it's Command minus on a Mac, to zoom out. And then we'll drag it back underneath it again. And there you go. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So just click this Save button at the bottom here. And then select JPG for the file type. We'll leave it on high and change the quality to 100. And then just click Download. And it'll just let you know the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you an option to change that if you want to. And if you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click Save again, and then just select PXC and then click Download again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.